Hello everyone, in today's video, I will show you how you can pay for Disney Plus using Gcash. So first, you want to open up your phone and open Gcash. After opening Gcash, click on Profile. After clicking Profile, you want to head on to My Linked Accounts. Once you click your linked accounts, make sure to press on American Express Virtual Pay. After that, you will see your card details. So now you want to head on to your browser and to your Disney Plus payment and fill this on the credit card section because that's where the only American Virtual Express Pay is available. Now after that, just fill in the necessary details needed and do some confirmations, and then there you go. You have now paid for your Disney Plus using Gcash.